Alright. This game is going to its freaking grave. Right now! This is what you get. I'm glad that's over with. Oh, sir, you scared me. Can I help you? What are you doing? Are you okay, man?
Play all 300 levels.
Crazy? I'm not doing... Wait a minute. You're that spirit that's been making me play all these games for all these years. You've been making me suffer, man. You're going down.
Dude, I have a shovel.
I have commas. Back off!
Where'd you even get that? Cool playing that game. That was well timed.
It really was. Last prop, though.
Last prop?
Good job, though. Good job.
Yeah. So what now?
I don't know. We can do whatever, I guess, at the end. Oh. Wow. That was a crazy dream. Good thing that wasn't a real frustration series. Or that would be the most disappointing cliche ending ever.
Play the game, Nathan. Play the game, Nathan. Play the game, Nathan. Play the game, Nathan.
What the heck? Well, that was interesting.